Hello there, and welcome to this particular mini test. Now, in this particular exercise, we've got 15 very different questions to each other. This first question is all about algebra, so let's do this one first. So if n equals 24, what is 3n minus 15? Now, if you look at this question, the first part, we can see a letter and a number next to each other. Now, when we have a letter and a number next to each other without any gaps, that means you are going to multiply. Okay, and that's always the case in algebra. So the question will read 3 multiplied by n minus 15. Now, what does n stand for? N stands for 24. So it will say 3 multiplied by 24 minus 15. So let's work out 24 times 3 minus 15. So let's just do 24 multiplied by 3 first of all. So 4 times 3 is 12. The right number goes in a box like this, 2, and the 1 is carried forward. 3 times 2 is 6, and add the 1 is 72. Now we're going to do 72 minus 15. So let's work this out. You can't take away 5 from 2 because 2 is too small. The top number always has to be bigger when we subtract. So we go next door, cancel 7, turn it into 6, borrow the 1 there to make 12. 12 take away 5 is 7, and 6 take away 1 is 5. So in this case, our answer for this question is going to be 57. All right, so whenever a letter and a number are next to each other, please always multiply. Now, these are mixed questions, so try your best in all the rest of the follow-up questions, and we will go through this in class in much more detail. Okay, good luck for now. Thank you.